Hello folks, Midwest 50 here. For those who tuned into my stream, thank you so much. I wanted to do this quick video to follow up on the footage I took during that stream. Here's a picture of the oil filter media from the Purolator Boss after running 2,000 miles on Valvoline Restore Protect. This is under a microscope. And then here's a borescope inside the oil fill port of my F-150. You can see the timing chain, there's some residue. This is after draining the oil. I will have a formal video capturing all the highlights and key learnings from this oil change. It will take me a while to put that video together just because there's a lot of information to parse through in the live stream. I will also make the live stream available once I'm able to edit some of the parts out. It did get super long, so while I work on putting those two things together, let's have a conversation in the comment section. Let me know what you think that filter media captured, and let me know if you think this engine's clean for being 65,000 miles. I'm curious if this is dirtier than you expected or cleaner than you expected. Also, before anyone asks, I did send a sample of this oil to Lake Speed Jr. for analysis, and I'll post a video once that's ready to go. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you're watching one of my videos for the first time, consider checking out my other videos on my channel. You'll find videos of me opening up oil filters, videos about how I'm getting my truck to 500,000 miles, product reviews, among other things. Please check it out.